resign irrevocably. Ibig ko sabihin, wala na po siyang, hindi na po magbabago yung isip niya dahil irrevocable nga po no, yung resignation. Ang sa tingin naman po natin, we have to move on from this as fast as possible. Dahil po hindi naman po pwede magkaroon ng gap or interruption yung mga ginagawa natin sa NBI, lalo na po na medyo malawak pa po yung ating yung effort against yung POGO. Lalo na ngayon na naghihigpit na rin tayo sa inshore na gaming operators, we need the NBI to be in its top form in going against perpetrators. Kaya siguro, medyo nalulungkot kami at nagulat nga kami dun sa pagbitiw sa pwesto ni Director Jimmy. Kaso there is really no time to waste and we have to find a suitable replacement para po pagpatuloy po natin yung mga efforts po natin.
May recommendation na po ba si Sec? Sino yung pangalan?
Sa acting lang po. Meron po tayong mga in-endorse to the President's Office para sa acting capacity. Pero in terms of the actual permanent replacement, that is something that the Secretary is mulling over. Pinag-iisipan pa po niya na maigi kung sino ang pwedeng pumalit kay Director Jimmy.
Sir, hindi na-inform si Secretary prior sa resolution?
Alam mo, ano kasi yan personal decision po yan ni Director Jimmy. Baka po kasi, it was something that he talked with his family about. But the Secretary could not have stopped him even if nagpaalam po siya kay SOJ Remulla. So siguro mas maganda na lang to para mas mabilis at makapag-isip po tayo kaagad ng suitable replacement.
Sino yung acting? Maybe no, sir. Sino yung suggestion for acting?
Well, we are floating names from the cluster that the NBI is under. So the NBI under the DOJ falls under the law enforcement cluster. Kaya po yung head ng law enforcement cluster ang gusto nating maging acting NBI director, Yusek Jesse Andres.
Meron ba kayong alam na naging specific issues niya that led to his resignation? Or may kaso ba na nagka-problema?
It's a matter of discipline po kasi sa NBI. And as the head of a bureau which is supposed to be the premier law enforcement agent, it demands a lot of discipline and it demands a lot of leadership. Meron po talagang magkaiba ng perspective, iba-iba po yung methods and approach, lalo na po na si Director Jimmy ay nanggaling sa labas. Meron din siyang sariling approach which we saw was very proactive, marami po talagang initiative. Kaso nga you cannot discount the fact na baka meron siyang ginawa na hindi nagustuhan ng mga dati pang nandyan. And it's a matter of fixing sana, Sana po ay naayos po natin yan kaagad. Kaso nga lang siguro dumating na sa punto na hindi na nila maayos sa isa't isa. And on that note, the director found it prudent para po mas maging professional pa at hindi masira yung pangalan niya na mag-resign na lang din siya. So this is not something na let's not blame politics, let's not blame. All we want here is for a better NBI and a more professional NBI. Kaya siguro we can just take this as a step forward na may mga nagawa na si Director Jimmy na mga magaganda. All we want to do is build on that. So sana po yung ma-appoint bilang NBI Director ay ipatuloy yung mga reforms na gusto rin ni Director Jimmy at siguro na lang niya sa isip niya na kailangan lang niya maging flexible at mas siguro mas maging smooth. Kailangan alam niya na kung anong pinapasukan niya.
Sir, ang director said in his statement na may hawak din siya na documents saying na kiniklaim na bagman daw siya kung ano. May bagman siya. So, did SOJ talk to him about it?
No, you know what? It's hard to believe mga statements and sweeping statements like that, lalo na po na walang ebidensya. Kaya po siguro niya linabas para makita niya sa buong bansa na napaka-absurd po ng mga accusations na ito. And kami naman sa DOJ, we've always been and will always be evidence-based. Kaya po, kung may mga ganong allegation, we hope that there are supporting evidence. And sa ganitong pamaraan na ilalabas lang po sa kahit anong platform, sa social media ba, or sa newspaper, whatever, na walang basehan, hindi po tayo gagalaw sa mga ganong informasyon. Kasi kung kami po ay gagalaw sa lahat ng mga ganong allegation, wala na po talaga may iwang oras sa amin.
So, para malinaw asa, it will not warrant an investigation. Yung issue.
It will not warrant an investigation unless there are pieces of evidence that come out that will support the allegation. But mere allegations and mere statements that are uncorroborated and unsubstantiated cannot be acted on. Because that will only open the floodgates and it is subject to abuse.
Sir, kumusta yung trust and confidence sa Secretary ng
Ano po? The director enjoyed the trust and confidence of our dear Secretary Remulla. He was a man of principle. He was a man that executed the instructions of the President and the Secretary to the very letter. At marunong din po mag-update at mag-report. Kaya mag-miss po talaga ng department si Director Jenny Santiago.